Welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my videos. Today we will learn about something super important and fun. Let's begin. We're gonna learn about prepositions. The ball is under the table. The cat is on the couch. The book is in the box. The dog is behind the tree. The girl is in front of the car. The ball is between the boxes. The words under, on, in, behind, in front, and between are prepositions which tell us where an object is. Now, can you guess the prepositions correctly for the given sentences? The duck is dash the door. Behind. The cat is dash the bed. Under. The deer is dash off the tree. In front. The ball is dash the table. On. The pencil is dash the box. In. The apple is dash the oranges. Between. Wow! You're a superstar now, as you guessed correctly. Write in comments below how many prepositions you guessed correctly. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more such lessons to learn with What's Done. Bye!